The what?
Friday 17th. This is what's going on at Friday, February 17th at about 9 o'clock. How's going on? Right now. So, I'm logging off. No. See you in the next video.